Can you tell me what this is about, People for Peace?
Huh?
You're asking for signatures. Can you explain what this is about?
There's more people than this little village group here around the country, around the world. People for Peace. So I kind of looked it up and I said, "What's our message? And then how do you get your message out? And how do you find out the people who feel the way you do?"
Right.
And all the way, I think, if you sign my little sign, then I got to know where you stand.
Right.
What are you for peace? Are you for war?
Well, I signed it.
Yeah.
I put my little John Hancock on it.
Yeah, you're there.
Yeah, I like peace and
Yeah.
justice. That goes a long way in my world.
Yeah, well, war's expensive.
Yes, it is. Well,
Yeah.
thank you very much for your work for humanity throughout the years, sir.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Thank
Very
you.
well.
Nice.
We're here at the West Side Market in Cleveland doing our weekly Saturday Vigil for Sanity and Peace in the World. Started right after 9/11. So every Saturday folks come out here and, we get out the word because we're fried.
Yes.
Street news, get the Chronicle from them, that's great.